In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Google Workspace. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First off, open up your web browser of choice and head over to the Google Workspace website. You can do this easily by typing workspace.google.com into your browser's address bar. Google Workspace offers a variety of secure online productivity and collaboration tools to make your work life more efficient and organized. Upon reaching the Google Workspace homepage, look for the Admin Console link. The Admin Console is where you can manage your Google Workspace settings, so it's crucial for anyone with administrative access. Click on this link to proceed. Now you'll be prompted to enter your Google account details. This is the login information associated with your Google Workspace account. Enter your email address in the provided text box. Remember, it's always best to ensure that you're entering the correct details to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your email or password, make sure to use the recovery options available on the page. After entering your email, click on the Next button. You will then be directed to a page where you can input your password. Type in your password carefully, keeping an eye out for any typing errors that could prevent you from signing in. Once you've entered your password, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. If all the information you've entered is correct, you should now be successfully logged in to your Google Workspace account. Now that you're signed in, it's time to familiarize yourself with the Google Workspace Home. From here, you can access all your productivity tools, such as Gmail, Drive, Docs, and more. Make sure to explore these applications and see how they can aid you in your daily tasks. Each tool is designed to integrate seamlessly, providing you with a connected and streamlined work experience. And there you have it. You've successfully signed in to Google Workspace, allowing you full access to your suite of tools designed to boost your productivity and collaboration efforts. If you run into any issues at any stage, remember that Google Workspace offers a comprehensive help center and community support to address any concerns you may have. Thank you for watching, and be sure to share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. Have a productive day with Google Workspace.